Guys, this is how they spell my name. Yes, this is what I got. Hope, what did you get? I don't know.
The one in Ravana Plaza?
And then I got some chicken Alfredo.
Perfect. Wait, 10 minutes? That's what it says. What addresses does it say?
305. Taste test.
Yeah, perfect. Ravana Plaza Drive, yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
Okay, guys.
Give me your prime. Give me your prime.
This is not
This
even mine. This is Josh's.
is literally such a good flavor. It is amazing. It tastes awesome, and I love it. Hey guys, I just got back from running a few errands. We went and we delivered food to some people, and now I got home and I'm going to meet my friends at 3 o'clock, so it's now like 2. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to put my phone to charge because it is literally quite dead. I did not charge it this morning. And then after I hang out with my friends, I'm going to head to work because I work from 6:30 to 9. So I'm going to pack my bag for work, and I'm also going to get my clothes for work, and then I'm going to just like change into bottoms that I can wear to work as well. So I think I'm going to wear jeans and a nicer top because we're going to go have a later lunch. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm done doing that. Okay guys, so my friends and I, we just got back from eating lunch, and now we're gonna go to Target, and we're going to hang out. Look, Kaylee's ahead. Okay you guys, look at Monty. Monty, your highlights look so good in this lighting.
What about the bangs? Are they
And
everywhere?
the bangs are eating, yes. Okay, look at Jordy and Kaylee. Kaylee, this is why Gen Z, oh my goodness.
The other day I went to Target, right? No, it's not.
Guys, Target. The Explorer. Period. Take down. She said that in the because that part of it broken. Everybody say Target on the count of 3. What? I'm not Target. Hey party people, so it is currently Thursday, and it's Thursday, July 17th, and I'm about to get ready to go to work. I work 4:30 to 9, and it's currently 4 to 6, so I'm leaving my house, see Lydia, Grace, and then Maverick. Yep, that's the plan. I'm just connecting my Bluetooth. It's actually so hot today.
I'm not saying anything for the vlog. I'm just saying that I love you.
You're
and period.
literally
That's
talking
all.
to the vlog right
Not to
now.
the vlog.